In this video, we're gonna dive into UK garage. So the UK garage wave has been blowing up for the past few months with viral tracks as these. The UK garage style we're gonna make today consists of really groovy drums, the typical bass style, and rap vocals.
Don't ram, but they're gonna get out of and try now, that's part of the plan.
First, let's start off with the drums. Let's start off with the basic drums with a kick, clap, and open hat. Kick at every beat, clap at every second beat, and the open hat at the off beat. Just like this. Also make sure to set a BPM at around 140 as well. Then we're gonna add in a groove with a closed head. So place it right before and after the first open head. Just like this. Then we're gonna layer it with another closed head. Place it right here. Also make sure to pan it to the left and right. Then we're gonna add in the snare right here. Duplicate it. Make a small variation at the end. Then I run them out to a bus channel and added some soft clipping, compression, and transition shaper. So altogether the drums sound like this. Now we're gonna move on with the bass. So first, pick a preset from the new UK business pack. Link down below if you want to check it out. Let's use this one as step. Speed up the rate a little bit. We are working in F minor, so drop it in at the root note. Then we're gonna mix it. First some distortion, compression, and a sidechain, together with the drums sounding like this. Then we're gonna move on with the main bass. Let's use this sine bass. Again, starting on the root note. Then go up to the 6th note of the scale. Then up to the dissonant. And finish it again an octave lower on the 6th. Duplicate it and make a little variation by going up to the B. Sounds a bit weird right now, so let's tweak it a little bit. I think we need to go down, back to the root, and finish on the 7th note. Yeah, that's perfect. Sounding like this. Then shorten the notes just a little bit to avoid overlapping notes. And mix it. Distortion, compression. Then I add some distortion to the low end to make it pop out a little bit more. Dip this resonating frequency. Bit of delay to the top end. And of course the sidechain. Together with the drums sounding like this. Then I want to make it a little bit more interesting. So let's drop in another bass. Let's use this one. Right here. To layer it. So altogether the bass sounds like this.
Just lose control and you got me like, ooh, shake it.
So now we're gonna spice it up with a vocal. Let's pick one from the UK Business sample pack. We got 10 vocals in there.
Live in your bones.
Let's drop it in this one. First, let's fit it to the tempo. It's at 124. Then, the vocal says it's in C minor, so let's bump it up 5 semitones. So then, place it right here.
Just lose control and you got me like, ooh, shake it. Feel it in my bones and it got me like, ooh.
Need to cut it up because I don't think it's gonna work with the groovy drums.
Just
It's
lose
too
control
busy.
and you got me like, ooh, shake it. Feel it in my bones and it got me like, ooh, move it.
So let's cut it out.
Just lose control and you got me like, ooh, shake it. Ooh,
Just like this.
shake it. Ooh, move it.
Turn it to an 8-bar loop.
Ooh, shake it. Ooh, shake it. Put it in that ooh.
Yeah, that's really dope. Really complements the groove. So now we're gonna mix it. First, add some compression.
Just lose control and you got me like, ooh, shake it.
Open up the stereo field.
Just lose control and you got me like, ooh, shake it.
Bit of delay
Just lose control and you got me like,
and
just
reverb.
lose control and you got me like,
And finish it off with a sidechain. So altogether the vocal sounds like this.
just lose control and you got me like, ooh, shake it. Ooh, move it. Just lose control and you got me like, ooh.
So now we need to finalize the drop. First I want to create a fill at the end of the drop. Right here. So let's remove the bass. And add it into Serum. Got a really dope lead preset in the pack. This one. So let's go from the C down to the D sharp. So we're going from the 5th to the 7th note. Mixing wise, we're only gonna add a sidechain. Then I want to automate a mod wheel, giving this effect. So let it open up at the end. And close it as well.
Put it in that ooh.
Yeah, really dope. So then we're gonna make a drum fill right here. So first remove all the drums. And copy over this part, giving this effect.
Put it in that ooh.
Giving sort of a stutter effect to the drums. So to emphasize it, we're gonna create a low cut animation on the master,
Put it in that ooh.
giving this effect. So create an automation clip. And let it open up right at the end.
Put it in that ooh.
Then I want to add in some more groove at the start of the drop, by removing all the drums except the kick,
You got me like, ooh, shake it.
giving this
Control,
effect.
and you got me like, ooh, shake it.
And we're gonna do the same right here. And then to finish off the drop, I added this drum fill as a pre-drop. And these snare sounds.
Just lose control, and you got me like, ooh.
So that's how you make a yoga garage style drop. I think the final result turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about it as well in the comments. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.
Just lose control, and you got me like, ooh, shake it.